Hello everyone, this is Cherry from Sedelon Valve. Today we are going to talk about our API check valve. Let's have a look. This is our API check valve. It is carbon steel WCB material. It is flange type, bolted bonnet, renewable seat, and it is swing type. We also have dual plate check valve. Let's go and take a look. This is our dual plate check valve, and it is plug type. We also have wafer type. Follow me. This is our dual plate check valve with wafer type. Okay, thanks for your listening. This is Cherry. See you next time.